Sir, good morning. Can you tell me about yourself?
Hello, I'm Ace Potencioso, a first-year computer engineering student at Notre Dame of Visayan College. I develop a strong interest in areas like programming, embedded systems, and networking. I work on academic projects such as smart home automation system using Arduino, which help me apply classroom concepts to real-world problems. I'm eager to gain hands-on experience and continue learning. My strength is being a quick learner, and as for a weakness, I used to struggle with public speaking, especially during presentation.
Okay, so here's the first question for you. What is the difference between a microprocessor and a microcontroller?
Microprocessor, central unit of a computer that performs computation. In contrast, microcontroller integrates a processor, memory, and peripherals on a single chip, making it ideal for embedded system.
How does a compiler work?
Is a program that translates source code written in a high-level programming language into machine code that a computer's processor can execute.
For the last question, where do you see yourself in 5 years?
I see myself in 5 years as a skilled engineer specializing in embedded systems or software development, possibly leading of a small team and contributing to innovative solutions in a dynamic organization.
Okay, thanks.